Hey Dave, if I stop on this bitch, just bring me back in wherever I stop at. Going straight through on this bitch. Yeah. Turn it down a little bit in the headphones. Let's get it. Will I make it out these streets? You will never know. I got court in the morning, I don't wanna go. Got some niggas doing life and they on level 4. But they are rooting for me, they just hope I blow. Got more cheese than all you niggas put together. Serve more fiends than all you niggas put together. I get money, I don't care who fucking on my exes. Was count 30 when I found out the bitch was pregnant. You ain't been through what I been through, nigga. You ain't into what I'm into, nigga.